ቸኮልኩ ትንሽ ያው
ደግሞ እኮ ሲይዙ እኮ ዋዋው ብለሃል። አይተዋል ቪዲዮ?
አዎ ስገባማ እንደዛ እንደውሻ እየጮፍኩ ነው የገባሁት። ላይክ ከዚህ በፊት
እኮ እኔ
ምናምን ስላየው እኮ ነው
ስጠረጥር ያልተከተብከው መስላቸው ነው የያዙ።
What's wrong with you niggas, man? In the chat, bro. This is beautiful, bro. Holy crap, bro. Ethiopia is so beautiful. Holy Yo, y'all see this chat? Y'all see Ethiopia, bro? This is insane. Okay, speak.
He loves you so much, man. He's been looking up to you for years, man. People have been making fun of him for doing your things. This guy is free. He's fire. He's got the dog in him, man. Can you give him a chance, bro? He can be international. I believe in him, man. He's the biggest, the greatest, the littest, the illest. Fire!
Look. I really appreciate you representing me in Ethiopia, bro. Cause look, I don't know why. Bro, who your dad?
አይሾ ስፒድን ያናደደው ድርጊት በደንብ ሼር በደንብ ሪፖስት እያደረጋችሁ የቶሚን ኮንፊደንስ ከ10 ሬት እንድታደርጉልኝ እፈልጋለሁ። አይሾ ስፒድ ብዙዎቻችሁ እንደምታውቁት የክርስቲያኖ ሮናልዶ አድናቂ ነው። ታዲያ ዛሬ ላይ ቶሚ የመጀመሪያ ጊዜ አይሾ ስፒድ ላይቭ ስትሪሙን እያደረገበት ባለበት ሰዓት ላይ የአርጀንቲና ማሊያ በመልበስ ሜሲ ኢዝ ጎድ በማለት አይሾ ስፒድን በምትመለከቱት መንገድ እያናደደ ነው የሚገኘው። ከኋላ ቪዲዮን አስቀምጬላችኋለሁ ስሙለትና የቶሚን ኮንፊደንስ ከ10 ሬት እንድታደርጉለት እፈልጋለሁ። በደንብ ሼር እያደረጋችሁልኝ አይሾ ስፒድን በተመለከተ አዳዲስና ወቅታዊ መረጃዎችን ማድረሳችሁ ነው የሚሆነው። በደንብ ሼር ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ።
አዶኒ አር ሶ ስዊት ማርያምን በስማ ዌል እንግዲህ ምንም ስራ እንደሌለው ሰው ግማሽ ቀኑን ሰውቶ የአይሾ ስፒድን ላይቭ ስትሪም ሲከታተል እንደቆየ ሰው የተወሰነ ነገር ማለት ይኖርብኛል። የመጀመሪያው ነገር I wasn't expecting this much። እንዲህ አይነት ዝግጁነት አልጠበቅኩም። እንደሚመጣም እርግጠኛ ያለ መሆን ነገሮች ስለነበሩ እስከ መጨረሻው ሰዓት ድረስ በዚህ መጠን የተዘጋጀ ነገር ነው ብዬ አልጠበቅኩም። but everything was cool። መርካቶ አንድ ቲሸርት 6000 ብር ስለተጠየቀ ትንሽ ደንገጥ ብዬ ነበረ። ግን ያው every tourist የሚገጥመው ነገር አይሾ ስፒድ ኢትዮጵያ አይቸው ፈጠነ you are too good but when it comes to the language I'm really sorry። በስመ አብ መጀመሪያ ላይ አዶኒ እንትን ሳይሄድ በፊት አብሮት የነበረ ያለ ሲያስተረጉመው የህንድ ሙቪ ትችላለህ አውጣው አንተ ውስጥ oh my god ያሱሲት አዶኒ እውነት ያንተ በጣም ጸዴ ሰው ነህ። በፕሮግረስ ታመጣዋለህ ግን ትንሽ ከዚህ በላይ መዘጋጀት ነበር። የእንሰቱ ፓርት ላይ ታቸው የሆነ ሙዚየም ውስጥ ምንድነው በእናንተ እኔ እግዚአብሔር ምስክሬ ሙሉ ስትሪሙን እንዲየገለፈጥኩ ነው የጨረስኩት። አይደል እኔ ላይቭ ስትሪም እንደዚህ ደስ እንደሚራሱ አላቀም ነበር። ደስ ሜቢ ሀገሬ ስለሆነ ይሆናል ምናምን ግን በጣም ነው ኢንጆይ ያደረኩ የነበረው። በጣም እየሳኩ ነው። ወይኔ ጉዴ መሀል ላይ ትንሽ ህመም አጋጠመው አይሾ ስፒድ I feel sorry። በልቶ በጣም እየጨፈረ ነበር ምናምን መርካቶ 4 ኪሎ ፒያሳ ብሔራዊ ቤተ መንግስት ያ ሁሉ ነገር በየቦታው መጨፈር በየቦታው እንትን ማለት ሰውነት በራሱ የሚፈልገው ነገር አለ። ሮሚት ሰተውት ነው ያሉ እየተቀባበሉት ነው ግን ሮሚት አይደለም። I don't think ሮሚት ስለበላ እንደዛ ሀፕን ያረገ just ሰውነቱ መቋቋም አቅቶት ይመስለኛል። ግን ብቻ it was funny, it was good። ያ እና ሌላው ደግሞ ያየሁት ነገር ምንድነው ለስራው ያለው ክብር you got it I mean yeah by any means ስራውን አይረሳ by any situation ጋድ
ዛሬ አይሾስ ቢድን በሚመጣ ይታወቃልና ኢትዮጵያ ታሪክ እንድንሰራ እናደርግ ነው። ኬንያዎች ያደረጉት ማቀባበል አይታችኋል ሁላችሁም። እኛ ደግሞ ከእነሱ በልጠን መገኘት አለብን።
A few moments later.
Bro, IShowSpeed just joined the Ethiopian monkey tribe on their traditional dances and was even surprised that Ethiopia founded coffee and had to try some. They really got 3 different types of speeds right now in Ethiopia. You got clone speed, Timu speed, and you even got IShowSpeed being hand-fed by Ethiopians. Speed was visibly and expressively very upset at this Messi fan that just kept screaming Messi in his face, and he even told him to watch out, and this dude started meowing at him. Literal opposite of everything Speed does and likes. Bro even got trolled by Miss World Africa when she told him that they use a different calendar in Ethiopia, which is stuck in 2018, and she said that they time traveled. Of course, bro had to bring up Cristiano Ronaldo being on Real Madrid in Fortnite just coming out. Bro even ended up meeting the Minister of Tourism in Ethiopia and not the president. Oh my god, you guys chewed me in that Kenya video. But she ended up dressing him up as a warrior for a sign of celebration and independence for the victory of the Battle of Adwa. Basically when the Italians tried to invade in Ethiopia back in the late 1800s but completely lost. Also, don't trust pilot Speed because he ended up flying this plane simulator and completely crashed, so maybe he should just stick to streaming and like never be a pilot. Overall, Ethiopia was a great stream for IShowSpeed. I mean, it's always a plus when White Speed doesn't end up stream sniping him. All these streams are making everybody want to go to Africa. Like this dude IShowSpeed is really putting on for an entire continent.
ያራዳ ልጅ ሲባል በቃ የከተማ ልጅ ምናምን የአዲስ አበባ ልጅ ነው ይመስላችሁ አይደል? እግዚአብሔር ነው ያራዳ ልጅ እንዴ! ለምን በጣም በቃ አራዳ ነው ልጁ። ለምን አልኳችሁ መሰለች? IShowSpeed ከዛምቢያ ነው ዚምባብዌ ነው ይዞት የመጣው ስፒድን ትመስላለህ ብሎ በጣም ነው ጨዋታ የሚችለው። ለምን አልኩ እንደዚህ? የሆነ ቦታ ላይ ስክሪንሻቱን ማምጣት አቃተኝ። የሆነ ሰንሰል ቅጠል ነው መሰለኝ። ልክ እሱን እያዩ ቴል ሚ አባውት ዚስ ይሉታል መሰለኝ። ከዛ ማይ ካንትሪዝ ምናምን ሲሉ ስፒድ ግራ ገባው። ከዛ ሊያወራ በቃ ኢትዮጵያዊው ስፒድ ሐሳቡን ለመግለጽ በእንግሊዝኛ ትንሽ እንዲገባቸው ተችላለ እግዚአብሔር። ከዛስ ፕሌን ላይ ደግሞ ስፒድ ደነገጠና ምናምን ካምዳውን አለው ማለት ነው። ያኛው ሰማ ምንድነው ያልከው ሲል ካምዳውን ሲባል እንግሊዝኛ ቻለ። ሙዲዛ ለገልጸው በጣም ደስ የሚል ልጅ ነውና የልጁን የቲክቶክ አካውንት የምታውቁት ከሆነ ዝም ብላችሁ ሜንሽን አድርጉትና ሲፈልግ አስተርጉሞ ይስማው። ብራዘር ያራዳ ልጅ ነህ። ያራዳ ልጅ በእንግሊዝኛ ምንድነው? ያራዳ ልጅ ነህ። ውሃ ጠብሰህ ቀቅለህ የበላ ልጅ ነህ።
That's no good. Ethiopia is the original place of coffee. Coffee was invented here? Coffee was found in Ethiopia, in the southern part of Ethiopia, yes. Coffee was invented in Ethiopia? Yes! Oh, I gotta try it. Yeah.
You know, Ethiopia is the origin of humankind, so you're Ethiopian too.
So I'm Ethiopian?
Yes. And interesting part, you just became 8 years younger. You just time traveled back in time. You're now 8 years younger. You're 21, right? 20. How? Because we are in 2018, our calendar.
What?
Yeah, this is a very unique country.
2018?
2018.
Y'all serious?
We have 13 months. 3 months.
Nah, you trolling me.
No.
It's 2018. That's why I'm feeling like this.
Exactly. You feel a bit different here?
So Fortnite just came out. Oh my gosh.
Ethiopia doesn't celebrate like freedom. We celebrate our victory.
Yeah, he told me that. He told me that 20 times.
You got it. So this is like a memorial for that. And we also give to coffee.
Wow.
For the origin of coffee. You have to walk around. I hope you have a very amazing day.
ለጥቂት ደቂቃዎች IShowSpeed ራሱን ስቶ ነበረ። ነገር ግን በቦዲጋርዶች ታግዞ ወደ መኪናው ከሄደ ከጥቂት ደቂቃዎች በኋላ እንግዲህ በድጋሚ ወደ መኪናው በመውጣት አድናቂዎቹን ሰላምታ ሲሰጣቸውና ሲጨፍር ተመልክተናል። እውነት ለመናገር እውነትም ስፒዱ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ፓወሩ በጣም ከፍተኛ ነው ማለት እንችላለን። የድካም ስሜት ተሰምቶት እንግዲህ ለጥቂት ደቂቃዎች ከዚህ ላይ እንደምትመለከቱት ራሱን ሲስት ተመልክተናው ነበረ። በርካታ ሰዎችም በአካባቢው ላይ ተደናግጠው ነበር። ነገር ግን በቦዲጋርዶቹ እርዳታ ከጥቂት ደቂቃዎች ወደ መኪናው ካረፈ በኋላ ማለት ነው በድጋሚ ወደ መድረክ ወጥቶ ጥቂት ደቂቃ ከቆየ በኋላ እንግዲህ መስቀል አደባባይ ለቆ ሲሄድ ተመልክተናል። እንዲሁም ደግሞ በርካታ የሆኑ ሰዎችም እንግዲህ ጥሩ የሆነ አቀባበል ሲያደርጉለት ተመልክተናል። ሌሎች አዳዲስ ነገሮችን ካገኘው በድጋሚ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። ፕላስ ያደርጋችሁ አብራችሁ ጠብቁኝ። መልካም ምሽት።
You see the sun ray
shining out of Ethiopia is because at that time, almost all of Africa was under colonialism except for Ethiopia. So Ethiopia was a shining example of independence. So that's why we have that bright light, because we gave hope. A hope for all black nations that there is a black nation that's not been defeated, that actually won a colonial power, and that it's a hope. And this is where Pan-Africanism started.
I never even knew that.
Yeah.
Chat, I never even knew that.
And the statue you see here, these are the 12 generals.
Abba Jitin, Ras Alulo, Quibi. W stream, bro. W stream. I'm about to show the nightlife of Ethiopia.
Oh, yes.
I'm about to show y'all a drone shot of Ethiopia. It looks crazy at night.
Oh,
like, go ahead, go to drone, go to drone, go to drone.
Ethiopia, the cradle of humankind.
Go to drone, man. This is the nightlife in Ethiopia.
Oh, yes.
Why is drone still right there?
Oh,
go,
yes.
Drone, go! What is he doing?
Ethiopia?
Chat, do y'all see it?
What?
I can't even tell if they seen it or not. But chat, this is the nightlife of Ethiopia, chat.
Ethiopia is that beautiful.
Nightlife of Ethiopia. This is insane. Is it still on there?
Yeah, it's still on there.
What?
Oh my gosh, y'all. Holy crap, that looks crazy.
So crazy.
Ethiopia nightlife looks insane, bro.
Bro, this is Africa, bro. This is Africa.
W's in the chat, bro.
This is Africa, bro.
W's in the stream, bro. W's in the stream, bro.
This is Africa, bro.
W's in the chat, bro. This is beautiful, bro. Holy crap, bro. Ethiopia is so beautiful.
So fire.
Holy. Yo, y'all see this chat? Y'all see Ethiopia, bro?
Wow. Hey.
Insane.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Holy moly.
We're on top of this building right now.
Right. The third tallest building.
That is insane, G.
In Africa.
Oh my. We should do a backflip. But that's crazy though, bro.
So crazy.
That is Ethiopia, man. That's nightlife Ethiopia, bro. Ethiopia has, I think it's like, bro, it's one of the biggest cities ever, bro. It took me 1 hour just to get to my, it took me an hour and 30 minutes just to get to my hotel. That's how big this city is, bro. In all seriousness, bro. But W Ethiopia, bro. Now let's go back down, man. I think we showed it, man.
Did you see that nightlife? Did you see how beautiful Addis Ababa looks like? Do you see how even Speed is so amazed? He is excited about his stay in Ethiopia. As in, Ethiopia is given luxury or nothing. It is given standard class or nothing. This country called Ethiopia keeps proving to the world why they are the cradle of humankind. For people who doubt, then that is on you. Oh my gracious heavens. I love me some Ethiopia. I love you all. You all are amazing. I love you guys so much. Just so much. And your country is beautiful. It's so beautiful. Perfect.